Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create this mauve makeup look with a silver glitter eyeliner touch because I just wanted to put a little bit more pop to my eyes, so I use this glitter liner on the top. So if you want to see how I create this look, then please continue watching. So I'm going to start my face with the moisturizer. Here I'm using my vitamin E moisturizer cream, which is from the Body Shop. I really like this cream because it's very hydrating. I have dry skin, so it's perfect for me. And for the primer, I'm using my Maybelline Face Studio primer, which is also hydrating primer and perfect for the dry skin. Just going to apply all over my face. It's kind of blur out your pores as well, so just make sure you're applying on your T-zone as well. So moving on to the brows, here I'm using my MAC Brow Gel Cream in the shade Deep Dark Blonde. I'm just kind of making outline and filling it inside as well. This product is highly recommended, like it is such a nice product. And for the eye primer, here I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm just kind of blending it out with my finger so that every single space can be covered, because finger is a great way to cover your little spaces. And after that, I'm going to use my Soft Glam palette, and I'm using this color right here to set the concealer. Today I did not use any powder because this color is like kind of my skin tone or a little bit lighter, but it's perfect for the setting the concealer. So after the powder, I'm gonna use my crease color, which one I'm showing you soon. For the crease, I'm going to use this burnt orange color onto my crease area, and I'm using kind of pencil brush, but it's bit fluffy, so it's perfect to use on your crease area. Just going to apply in a circular motion onto my crease, just like so, and blending it out. Same I'm doing it with my other eye. Now I'm using the mauve color from the same palette, and I'm applying it onto my outer corner and taking it towards to my eyelid. And I'm gonna apply this color onto my all over my eyelid because I want that mauve kind of look. So here I'm using it slowly from outer corner to inner corner, and then I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. If you feel like this color is not that mauvey, you can use a setting spray onto your brush, and then you can take the color from the palette and it will give you more intense mauvey color. Which one we want today, which one I used as well. Now moving on to the eyeliner, I'm making a wing. So I'm using here Maybelline Hyper Sharp Pencil Eyeliner, which is so easy to use. So after this eyeliner, I'm going to use this Sephora gel eyeliner, which is in like a kind of silvery glittery kind of shade, but this eyeliner is not that intense, which one I thought it would be, but it's working. So I'm just gonna use it on the top of my black eyeliner to give that silver kind of glitter look. For the foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Foundation, my all-time favorite foundation, and I'm going to blend it out with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, which is a damp beauty sponge. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face, and I'm gonna do it like a pressing motion to my face so that I can cover all my areas of my face. And for the concealer, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I'm going to apply it a little bit on my under area, which is in the shade I think light, because I'm gonna highlight these areas. So I'm just gonna apply it over here, a little bit on my forehead, on my nose, my cupid bows, and a little bit I'm gonna use it on my chin as well. Now I'm going to blend it out all the product into my skin with the same beauty sponge. I'm just gonna press it in the product, and then just gonna blend it out wherever I put the product. Now I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder to set my face. I'm gonna use the fluffy brush, and I'm gonna set my whole face with that. Only for the under eye area I'm gonna use the loose powder, and here I'm using my Maybelline long lasting loose powder. And for the contour I'm using my Napoleon Perdis powder foundation. This is actually in the shade 45, so it's perfect for my contour shade. I'm gonna use it for my contour. I'm using this kind of curved brush, and I'm going to apply the product onto my cheeks, my jawline, my forehead, and a little bit I'm going to apply onto my nose as well, so that my nose will look a little bit slim. Now I'm kind of baking my cheek area so that my contour will look more sharp. So I'm using here the same loose powder which one I used before for my under eye area, which one is Maybelline long lasting powder. And here I'm using this color of blush which is from Tarte. It has a sparkle on it, so I love this blush. I'm going to apply it on to my cheek and a little bit on my nose as well, which is so famous these days. Now going back to the eyes, I'm gonna use my palette again, and using this kind of angular brush and using this burnt orange shade which one I used for my crease, and this mauve color which one I used for all over my lid. I'm gonna mix it both the colors and applying it onto my lower lash line just like that, and then I'm gonna smudge it out. And now I'm going to smudge it out with the Real Techniques brush so that it can give us like kind of smoky look. So here I'm using this golden glitter shade to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners as well. So baking is done. I'm going to wipe it out all the powder from the fluffy brush. And moving on to the lips, I'm using here my Rimmel lip liner, which is kind of pinky mauvey shade. I'm going to outline my lips with this lip liner, and then I'm gonna use my lipstick which is from Becca, which is the perfect mauve shade, and this color I want it, so I'm gonna use it all over my lips. Now for the highlighter, honey, I'm using here my MAC Soft and Gentle, which is my all-time favorite highlighter and perfect for brown skin tone, Indian skin tone, like for Asians. That's the perfect highlighter. I'm gonna use it onto my cheek area, a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my cupids, and a little bit on my chin area as well. As you all know, I love highlighters, so I'm gonna use it a little bit more highlighter on the top of my highlighter. Here I'm going to set my face with the setting spray which is from Tarte. I'm gonna apply more highlighter for my collarbone and little bit for my shoulder as well, because it's one shoulder dress, so I really want to highlight that area which one is like showing. I'm gonna apply it a little bit for my shoulder and onto my collarbones as well, just like that. And this is the final look, you guys. I really like the way it turned out, and let me know in the comment section below if you like this look, then please give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye, see you into my next video.